What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to drop a quick tip for all my DJs that use haze machines, fog machines, or smoke-generated LSG low fog generators. And that is every so often, especially if you're using these machines a lot, make sure that you clean out the foggers in your machine. Use a solution like Easy Clean. And I'm going to put a link to this fluid in the description field down below. If you haven't cleaned out your machines, you need to do this, because if you take some time and don't clean out your machines, you're gonna clog the lines, and then your equipment could be inoperable. You're gonna be actually going over to use your equipment, and it's not gonna work either at its full capacity, or it could just not work at all, because the lines could dry out, they could become clogged, or they just might not be working properly. I just spent a considerable amount of money getting one of our foggers cleaned out professionally by the manufacturer itself, because it was not operating. And it's because we didn't use something like this right here to clean out the lines to make sure it was working in perfect condition. So if you're a DJ that uses smoke, haze, fog, anything, make sure that you are cleaning out your equipment frequently, maybe after every 10 uses. I think it'll help you extend the life of your equipment, and it'll avoid unforeseen circumstances that may be in your future. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Be on the lookout for more tips coming to this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. Thanks for watching.